guys, welcome back to Talking Ed. Today is a special unboxing that we ordered, and of course we like to support our brothers and sisters from if they have their own entrepreneurship. But today I got a deal, and a great friend and a great human being, and it's the hot sauce. You know who have hot sauce? Hell yeah. That Zeekman hot sauce right here. I'm gonna put the link below, guys. I haven't opened it. I mean, it's just insane. So I'm gonna open it, show it to you guys, and maybe tomorrow, because Christmas, me and Faye's gonna put it on a meat for a hot sauce. But I want to box it quickly because look at this, guys. It came secure, and we ordered both flavors, so super secure. So if you're worried about breaking the bottle, nope, it will not break. Zeekman is smart. Thank you, Zeekman. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna get open it. I'm just super excited for own company. Go support him, guys. Go support him. You know, he's great guy, great person. So, and I'm gonna try to get this off of here. So, that means this is super great packaging. Look at this, man. It's like something drinkable. That's good though, because it's, you know, if you order around the world, the country, the world, you know, it's gonna be what? And like, he has a bunch of videos. Go check him out. He has he dip is on sauce and everything. Tomorrow we're gonna do the dipping on Faye's meat right here. So we're gonna check it over here. This is what is this one? 2 hours later. All right, like I said, 2 hours later, and I got it. Super Zeekman sauce. This is a Paradise Pepper Blend. Look at that, Paradise Pepper Blend. I know Faye's ready to get this tomorrow for her meat. We're gonna try it too. I'm gonna try it, even though I'm like, oh my god, hot sauce. But I'm gonna try it. Take a picture. There you go. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this sauce, and then let's see the other one. Outsmart this one. I brought my scissors here, so we can open it. It's secure, guys. You don't have to worry about the bottle breaking, because Zeekman, you know, he thought this through. He's breaking me. You will never break this in here. So I gotta check it out. I'm gonna cut myself with this thing here. Yeah. I gotta say to Zeekman, he's really good on bottling this thing. Man, it's super secure. And it came quick. Ordered like what? 2 days or 3 days ago? And it came super quick. And this is the one. I have to break this. There you go. I know Adam like this. Hey Adam, look at this. Alright. You know, when smoking Chipotle. Look at this. Smoking Chipotle. Wow. This is super nice. And I ordered 2 flavors. We gotta try both of them. Look at that. It's like Zeekman super sauce, smoking Chipotle, and Paradise Pepper Blend. There you go. So guys, if you say, well, I'm gonna order it, guess what? I'm gonna put the link right here. Get to him, and he will ship it to you quickly. Trust me. We ordered it maybe 2 days ago, and it's got here today. So today is yeah, we ordered the thing Friday or Saturday. It just came today. So look at that. Super nice. And it's no GMS, so it's all natural. All natural. Look at that. So guys, please support the local. Support Zeekman. He knows he's out there grinding and busting his butt for making sure this is good quality. And hey, we're gonna trade tomorrow. So this is the unboxing of the Zeekman super sauce. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a quick video using it for the meat. So here it is, and I'm gonna put it on the link down below. Just get it, guys. This is no sponsoring, nothing. He's helping a good friend that his own business. I'm happy, and good luck to him. And man, may the sauce be with you, right? So, all right, Zeekman, thank you very much. Appreciate it for sending this quickly. And guys, please support the Zeekman. He support all of us. He been grinding and preparing this sauce for a long time. So, link below. Everything goes to Zeekman. So, thank you much, Zeekman, and I can't wait to try this tomorrow. So we're gonna have a little video tomorrow, putting this both sauce tomorrow. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. Have Zeekman right on the bottom. Check out his videos. He do a lot of eating, so check it out. Thank you very much, guys. Merry Christmas, and see you guys tomorrow with sauce.